In this video, I'm going to show you how to access your Bluehost emails, or whether you want to check your emails online or set up your Bluehost email on a third-party app. I'll guide you through the process step by step. Although I can show you directly the process because of the restrictions here in the Bluehost, listen carefully as I explain each steps. So now, on your bluehost.com, click the login and on the top right corner and enter your user ID. And after that, assumingly we have an access to the Bluehost. Once inside your Bluehost dashboard, navigate to the email and office tab, and then here you'll see a list of all the emails accounts associated with your domain. So now find the email account you want to access, click check email next to your email address, and then you will be redirected to Bluehost webmail, where you can choose from Roundcube, most user-friendly options, or Horde, has extra features but is less intuitive. Now, select Roundcube to access your inbox. If you want to use your Bluehost emails on apps like Gmail, Outlook, or Apple Email, follow this step. So go to Emails and Office, then connect devices in Bluehost, and then Bluehost will provide a IMAP, POP3, and SMTP settings for manual configuration, and then use the provided details to set up your email on your preferred client. So if you prefer to check emails via webmail, bookmark webmail.yourdomain.com. You can log in anytime without going through the Bluehost dashboard. And that's it. That's how you access your Bluehost email. So whether your webmail or settings it up in the third-party app, you can now manage your emails easily. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.